guys, welcome back to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Nimca shampoo. In today's video we are going to see detailed review of Nimca shampoo. So without wasting any time, let's start. As you can see, this shampoo comes in a small sachet. Here you will able to see the name of the product, that is Nimca with natural oil conditioning shampoo. The unique thing about the packaging is that you will able to see the leaf of neem, whereas they have written shampoo. In the point form they have written volume feel, gentle on hair, fights dryness, cleanses scalp of common flakes, helps restore strength and hair spa feel. And the net weight of this product is 5.5 ml. The cost of this product is rupees 2. Now let's see what is there on the rare side. Salon premium quality with goodness of neem. A daily hair wash shampoo proven to fight dryness, strengthen and make hair feel soft and smooth. Use as often as daily or as needed. As per the recommendations, they said that you can use this shampoo daily, but I don't recommend you all to use this shampoo daily as it is going to make your hair weak. Just like normal shampoo, they have even mentioned the directions to use. You have to wet your hair, put a sufficient amount of Nimca hair spa shampoo into the palm of your hair, lather and rinse thoroughly. Repeat if desired. Cautions: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If this happens, rinse thoroughly with water. They have even mentioned the ingredients of this product. If you want to read the ingredients of this shampoo, then please pause this video and read it out. This shampoo is manufactured by Goran Pharma Private Limited, GIDC 1, Bhavnagar Road, Sihor, Gujarat, India. For queries or any inquiries, they have given their email ID. And if you want to shop this online, then even they have mentioned their website. I already told you about the net weight of this product, that is 5.5 ml, and the MRP of this product is rupees 2. This product is best before 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Now let us know why to use this shampoo. Neem promotes hair growth and prevents baldness, conditions your hair, helps with dandruff and itching. It also treats head lice, treats scalp infection, prevents premature graying, moisturizes the skin. Benefits of using this shampoo: dirt-free scalp and stronger hair every day. Antibacterial shampoo prevents sun damage. It helps in clearing the scalp, make your scalp smooth, providing deep moisturization, helps in nourishment of scalp and prevent problems like itching and dryness. If you have any difficulty, then don't forget to comment down below and do share your experience with us by giving a try to this shampoo. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video. Thank you.